Today we are going to do a blowout hairstyle but with straightener because I am running late and I have done with my skincare. I'm just giving my skin a little bit time before I get ready. So I thought I should actually film this video because this is the most requested video I have on my Instagram. So in this video I'm going to use the Philips straightener. My hair are clean and I washed it last night. It's completely air dried. I have not used any product on my hair yet, and this is the original texture kind of. It's kind of wavy to straight, not very frizzy. So this is my real hair. In addition to the straightener, I'm going to use the hair roller. I have it in two different sizes. मेरे पास medium size नहीं है. I really want to get that. I use this one. It's most probably only one on here, and rest of the hair I'm going to use this. I'm also going to use these pins. इससे roller भी intact रहता है, and पीछे वाले जो बाल हैं, basically this section, I'm going to just roll it and pin it. So I'm not going to use roller for that. And obviously हमको heat protectant चाहिए, so I'm using this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. And I'm also using this hair serum. This is Streaks hair serum. I love the shine of it. ये एकदम frizz free and shiny hair कर देता है after styling any kind of style. And lastly हमको clutcher or clip, whatever you have, you can use it. So Amazon पे बहुत सारे तरीके के rollers and pins available हैं, but I will attach few of my favorite in the description box. Now let's start with the tutorial because I'm also getting late. So I'm just quickly detangling my hair for a smooth texture. उसके बाद heat protectant spray. I have been doing this hairstyle since a very long time, and that is why I'm able to create this video for you guys. You just need a little bit of practice and you will be fine. It's nothing wrong or right. You just need to be in one single direction. कोई भी product लगाने के बाद बालों में I just like to comb my hair once so that जो product है वो evenly spread out हो जाए बालों में. Since we are using straightener, you can use pin and roll it, or you can just leave it as a curl and then open it. And also using the roller will help you to keep your hair intact for a long time. First of all, we're gonna section it. So we have this bigger section. I'm going to keep it aside. I'm using the clutcher. This comes very handy. And then we have this section. So I will most probably take 3 sections because जो straightener मैं use कर रही हूँ, it's very slim. It's not wide, so ये बहुत ज़्यादा hair cover नहीं करता है. But if you have wider straightener, of course आप 2 section में भी कर सकते हो ये ideally. I'm going to take this hair and roll it upward, right? So you will see and learn taking it, straightening it and rolling it upward, rolling it again. Okay, can you see the curls? We are going to roll it back and then we are going to pin it. Root say straight and then roll it upward and then roll it again and then glide it and then glide it, and you can see we have this beautiful curl. I'm going to take this again. We are going to roll it and I'm going to secure it with pin. And हमको इनको clip जो करना है वो ears के पीछे करना है. So you don't have to be perfect in it. You just need to do some more practice, and once you start doing this, start practicing this, you will be fine, trust me. So for this side we are going to do the same. I hope you can see now that we have this section covered with pin and like coil and pin. So we are going to do this section. So this works for me better. I first do this section क्योंकि वो roller लगाने में ना मुझे easy लगता है, and then I do ये वाले section यहाँ से. This is another. I'm going to take it and clip it. Okay. This as well. Now we are left with this section जो ये पीछे का section है. One strand से ऊपर. Sorry if you can see it. And then I'm going to roll it. The moment this is hot, I'm going to put this roller. Secure it with pins. God, I'm so sorry, guys. You can see beautiful curl. Oh God, it's not good, but yes. I'm going to trust the process and it should be all fine. So I'm going to do the rest of the hair. This is my last secure. So I'm gonna have to give this little time. I will wait for 1 hour or 1.5 hours and उसके बाद हम इनको unroll करेंगे and then we will see the magic. I know this is a lot, but this is the best thing you can do. So I just love this hairstyle. Like I think I will forever love this hairstyle. And so I'm gonna get ready. Also, I forgot to tell you that during its cooling down, I'm also going to put a very little bit of hold spray, and this is Be Blunt Hot Shot Hold Hairspray. I am ready. So first I'm going to open the pins. Pull it, roll it, and pull it. And lastly, I'm just gonna use my hair serum. 2 pumps is enough. Wow, can you see the volume? Like, just look at those. This hairstyle never disappoints. Let me know in the comments if you like this hairstyle. Look at the shine. I will see you in my next video.